So the juice I'm making today is the grapefruit watermelon, which will help promote hydration, and with the grapefruit will help reduce belly fat. Some of my grapefruits here, watermelon, and my strawberries. Everything has been cleaned. So this is just the bulk I have out right now. I do have some more product put up. This is my juicer here, Juilist. I got this from Amazon. It was on sale online. It's a company. I use a old milk jug I cleaned out. So when this get full here, I pour it in here. Then I have my bottles here. I put the juice in. Refrigerator here, I'll have some juices that I already juiced a couple days ago. Also, this ain't got nothing to do with the video, but try these ice waters. They have no sugar in them. This one tastes like Sprite to me instead of drinking pop. This is off. They got a low set and then a high set in that way. So if I want to get done, like usually the soft fruits go in the low setting, and the harder fruits, harder to break down fruits, go in the high setting. So put this on here just to help push the fruits and vegetables down. Probably can't hold this up, but I'll try to explain it the best I can with one hand. This is the, I would say the pusher, so I can push everything down. So the juice, that's the part that keeps the juicer intact. Move this out the way. Take this loose, pull this out. See, it breaks down, it contracts. This is like the cutter. This is where all the waste go. So set that there. This is the rest of my juice. I always use a gallon. Pour the extra in there. This should make me like my 8 bottles that I need for the day. I shake it. Shake. Okay. So when you break it up, blend the juicer down. Let's take this out. It's like this your knife. Take this part out. This extra part here. And then just the waste comes off. So this is going to be the part that's left that you can't put in the sink, can't do nothing with. And you just, when you wipe it down, clean it up, you're just going to wipe this down, inside, outside. See this right here, I have referred to this as a knife, because this is what breaks down the fruits and vegetables, and it comes with this brush right here. So clean it with soap and water. So you don't want to clean like around in a circle. So on the sides, you want to brush it up and down to scrub this. Brushing around now. I usually let this soak in some soap and water. So you have your other parts. You just regularly wash this with like soap and water with the dish rag, or the other parts that comes, with the juicer. Check out below some of the links to some of the products I was using in today's video. Peace.